Located in a residential area of Porto Alegre near some of the city's most important public parks, the building embodies a series of small efforts, small gestures, capable of emphasizing the dialogue between interior and exterior, public and private realms, thus favoring the relationship with the street from the access through the small plaza and gardens to the open staircase connecting the ground floor to the platform level, the common room with large glazed openings and an outdoor space facing the street, the linear balconies of the apartments, and the communal rooftop areas, the project brings together a series of design strategies that seek to strengthen the building's relationship with the city. The narrow plot, measuring approximately 15 by 40 meters, allows for the configuration of a compact building with a symmetrical layout of 2 apartments per floor. In their standard 90 square meter configuration, the apartments were designed to accommodate 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, laundry room, toilet, and integrated living and dining areas. The floor plan takes advantage of the building's multiple facades to ensure natural light and cross-ventilation throughout all spaces, while enhancing visual openness and strengthening the connection with the outdoors. The balconies are conceived as defining elements of the building's identity, establishing a common architectural language through the use of timber flooring and ceilings, integrated lighting, and facade enclosure elements. Mobile panels on the east and west facades provide solar protection while creating a subtle filter between interior and exterior spaces.